So going to do the unbox of the Xbox One S, the Jedi Fallen Order edition. I started to stream and my original Xbox One, the Kinect started to mess up on it, so I went to EB Games and got this while it was on Boxing Day sale. I'm just opening it up. Don't want to destroy the packaging. I don't like to destroy the packaging. There we go. There's the cover off. And more of these little stickers. Okay, so they are packed quite differently than the original Xbox was, the one that came with a Kinect. And that is everything out of the box. So just moving some stuff around so I have room to work. Here is the console. It's actually quite smaller than the original Xbox One. Oh, and by the way, the video is being recorded on the webcam that I had just previously unboxed in the last video. So let me know what you guys think. So there's the everything off of the Xbox One S. It's quite a bit smaller. It's a lot cleaner. I like the design better. So, and then there's this little box of goodies. Let's see. So it's a new HDMI cord. Looks like Xbox cheaped out. They didn't put their logo on it like they did with the past ones. Okay, so that's all that's left in this. It was an HDMI cord, the power cord, which they finally got rid of the big bricks. And this should be the controller. Yeah, it's just a white controller. There's no design for the Fallen Order. They did change the pattern, like there's a different texture to the side of the grips. Other than that, it's pretty standard. And then the batteries. I won't be using batteries, I use battery packs. Okay. Okay, so there's the game. There's the live gold. What is it, a 1 month? Yeah, 1 month trial you get. And then the little manual that comes, and that's all that's in that box. And what is in this? Instruction manual on how to hook it up. I don't need that, I'll be good. That looks like that's all that's in the box for this one. So hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments. Enjoy. And also, this video is not sponsored by Xbox or any other company. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.